It is a great joy to stand among you today, gathered not just as members of different lodges, but as one family bound by the same secret ties of brotherly love, relief, and truth. We have come together to strengthen our bonds, share wisdom, and reflect upon the noble path we walk to become a better Mason each and every day.
Masonry has never been the work of one man. We build together. We may differ in age, profession, experience, and opinion. But in Masonry, we are taught to meet upon the level. And the level reminds us that office does not place a Mason above his brother. It simply gives him a greater obligation to serve.
To be a Mason is more than a title or membership. It is a lifelong journey of growth, of polishing our rough aslar, refining our character, and living by the timeless values we profess. Becoming a better Mason means growing not just in knowledge, but in heart, to be more upright in our dealings, more compassionate toward our enemy, and true to our word in every circumstance.
On behalf of the Brethren of Masonic District Overseas South Korea, I'd like to extend my warmest congratulations to very worshipful Mark Pimentel and worshipful Master Arnel Cosinas for hosting this joint district convention and all the delegates of this convention. Together, let us embody the theme of most worshipful Grand Master Robert Joseph S. Moran, Jr. of making better Masons. Together, let's all make a difference, brethren.
I'm a hustler, yeah, I'm a hustler. 'Cause I'm a hustler, yeah, I'm a hustler.
The frog who never leaves the well never knows the ocean exists. So let us not be frogs in a well. Let us be Masons who seek the vast ocean of light that the craft offers, beyond our comfort, beyond our routine, and beyond our familiar walls. That is how we grow.
Let us be reminded that Freemasonry does not seek a perfect man. It seeks men willing to grow, learn, and continuously strive for self-improvement.
Ito pong journey natin ito, ang paniwala ko po, ito po ay hindi lang para sa akin, ito po ay para sa ating lahat. Let us all walk together, side by side, and continue walking together in life.
Keep turning up the heat. I keep turning up the heat. Keep turning up the heat.
Our conduct should inspire others to ask not what Masonry teaches, but how they too can become better men.
Titles will pass, terms will end. What remains is how we treated one another and how faithfully we served while we were given the opportunity. This is what it means to be Mason sa diwa at sa gawa.
Looking up,
may you continue to labor with faith, serve with humility, lead with wisdom, and love one another as true brothers. May the great architect of the universe continue to bless our craft, your districts, your lodges, and each one of you.
They're gonna call me king.
Rason sa diwa, rason sa gawa.